Ever wonder how a tiny flower transforms into a delicious fruit? Well, strap in because we're about to embark on an incredible journey that reveals the complexities and wonders of this transformation. It's a process that's as intricate as it is fascinating, and yet nature performs it with such grace and ease. From the blooming of a flower to the ripening of a fruit, it's a testament to the magic that nature bestows upon us every day. In the next few minutes, you'll unravel the magic of nature's creation. To understand fruit formation, first we need to understand the flower. A flower is not just a beautiful thing to behold, it's also a complex structure with several key parts. The outermost layer, the petals, are often brightly colored to attract pollinators. But the real magic happens inside. The stamens, the male reproductive parts, produce pollen, which is vital for fertilization. The pistil, the female reproductive part, comprises three parts: the stigma, style, and ovary. The stigma catches pollen, the style is a tube that leads to the ovary, and the ovary houses the eggs or ovules. This intricate dance between the stamens and pistils is the primary stage of fruit formation. The pollen from the stamen has to reach the ovule in the pistil for fertilization to occur, leading to the development of a fruit. Now that you understand the flower's anatomy, let's delve deeper into the process. The journey from flower to fruit begins with a process called pollination. This crucial step is all about the transfer of pollen from the stamen, or the male part of the flower, to the pistil, the female part. This can happen within the same flower or between different flowers, and there are several ways this pollen highway can be traveled. Wind, for instance, can blow pollen from one flower to another, a method favored by plants like corn and wheat. Insects, too, are key players in the pollination process. Bees, butterflies, and beetles may visit a flower for its nectar, and in the process, they unknowingly carry pollen on their bodies to the next flower they visit. Birds, especially hummingbirds, also act as pollen carriers in their search for nectar. Once the pollen reaches the pistil, it travels down to fertilize the ovules inside, setting the stage for fruit formation. With pollination complete, the flower is ready for the next stage. After pollination and fertilization, the flower undergoes a remarkable transformation. That's right, folks. It's time to bid farewell to those delicate petals because they've served their purpose and now start to wilt and fall off. The flower, now stripped of its vibrant attire, isn't forlorn. On the contrary, it's gearing up for a spectacular metamorphosis. The ovary, nestled at the base of the flower, becomes the star of the show. It starts to grow, swelling in size as it prepares for its new role. No longer just the ovary, it begins its journey to become a fruit. But let's not forget about the fertilized ovules. These tiny structures, once mere spectators in the flower's grand design, now spring into action. They start to harden, and as they mature, they morph into what we commonly recognize as seeds. Each seed, a tiny package of potential, waiting quietly within the protective walls of the fruit, ready to embark on a journey of its own when the time is right. While all this is going on, the fruit continues to develop. It grows larger and starts to change color, indicating its ripening process. It might become red, green, yellow, or any color in between, depending on the type of fruit. And voila! The humble flower has transformed into a nourishing fruit, ready for us to enjoy. This journey, from flower to fruit, is one of nature's most captivating performances. So, there you have it, the magical journey of a flower becoming a fruit. It all starts with the humble flower, with its petals, sepals, stamen, and pistil, each part playing a vital role in the process. The next stage is pollination, where pollen grains are transported from the male part of the flower to the female part, initiating the miraculous process of fertilization. Once fertilization occurs, the transformation begins. The petals fall away, the ovary enlarges, and the seeds start to form. Over time, this tiny ovary develops into the delicious fruits we so love and enjoy. From a blushing apple to a sweet, juicy mango, each one is a testament to this remarkable transformation. This intricate, beautifully orchestrated process is a reminder of the wonders of nature, happening right under our noses, in our backyards and gardens. Next time you bite into a juicy apple or savor a sweet mango, remember the incredible journey it's been on. Nature truly is an amazing architect, isn't it?